channel. Guys, today magda-dancing tayo guys. Part 11 at part 12 naman to guys ng video ni Miran. Wow! Guys, pero bago tayo mag-dancing guys, kamusta po na kayo dyan? Guys, ako guys, okay na okay lang guys. Guys, ingat tayo sa COVID. At saka, always remember, guys, stay safe guys at stay at home. Nga pala guys, guys, 5 na lang guys, magti-300 na. Wow! Guys, pag-pray niyo ako guys na umabot ako ng 300 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers, and then 1 billion, 1 trillion, and then 1 zillion. Okay guys, let's go! Guys, tara! Guys, sana sabayan niyo ako mag-dancing guys, ha?
Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Miran. Today we are going to focus on 3 simple moves, part 11. We've already did parts 1 through 10, and you can see all of that in the description box. With step number 1, pretty simple. We're going to step out with the right leg, point with the left hand. We're going 1. Now, as you can see, I'm just picking up my leg to step into it, so don't just come over to the right side, actually pick up your leg. So 6, 7, 8, 1. Yeah, you're pointing, and then you're going to pull your arm back right away. You want it to come close to the to your body, so the elbow's here. And once it's here, you drop on 2. Okay? The way you drop is you just bend your knees, come down a little bit, yeah? And then arms go up. So slow together. 6, 7, 8, go 1 and 2. Okay, one more time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1 and 2. From here, you're just going to flip and repeat the same thing on the left side. 3. So same thing. I picked up my left leg, put it back down, pointing with the right arm, pulling it in, and then I drop again on 2. Okay? And you're just going to do this back and forth for 1 full 8 count. Okay? Simple groove, just in place. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1 and drop. 3 and drop. Hit and drop. 7 and 8. Okay, pretty simple. So you want to loosen up your body, get really comfortable with it. Don't be stiff. Straight on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, drop, 2, drop, 3, drop, 4, drop. Good. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Good. So we finished here. Your feet apart. For the second step, you're going to jump feet together. The arms are going to roll up. So you want to kind of just bring it here. No higher than here. You don't want to pass your head. You don't want to be too high. Here, feet go together. Come up on your tippy toes so you're really high on 1. And then you're going to drop 2. Now, when you drop 2, you're throwing the arms. The right arm is going to be on top of the left arm. Here, they cross. And then you want to bend your knees because your next move is going to be 3 and 4. Bringing the knees up. Arms go in between. Also bring your body down. You do not want to stay up here like this. You want to bend your body and boom, meet it down here. Okay? So this is a 4 count move and we'll do it twice. I'll go up, throw, hit, hit. Go up, throw, hit, hit. Here we go. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go up, throw, hit, and hit. Again. Up, throw, hit, and hit. Okay? So one more time. 5. Couple of times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. And. Okay. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1. Drop. 2, 3, and 4. And 1. Drop. 2, 3, and 4. And. Good. So, 3, the starting step number 3. You're already feet apart. You're going to kick with the right leg. Nothing happens really on that first kick, okay? Well, that's a lie. You're going to kick with the right leg. You're going to slide the left leg in a little bit. So, small little jump. 1, okay? Now, the reason you're sliding the left leg to the middle is because you want to stay in the middle. You don't want to end up moving side to side. This is not a traveling step for now. It's in place. You will travel forward and back with a little hop, and not side to side. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump 1. Good. Once you're here, take the right leg back for now. Let's just do this a couple of times just so we know what the legs are doing. You're going back. Your body's moving forward. All that weight is on the left leg. You're kicking again. Now your body's back. And then you're going to jump out. Okay? Try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Little jump. Forward. Now you get back. Boom. Now your body's back. The leg is forward. Jump out. Okay? One more time, and then I'll show you what the real step is. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, going 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now, every time you do the right leg, when you're kicking forward, back, forward, you're hopping on the left leg. You're hopping forward, back, forward. Okay? So let's do it slow. Let's jump in place first. This is your 1. Good. Now I'm going to take the right leg just like we did, but the left leg is going to hop forward, and now I'm here. So it's a traveling step forward. This is 1, 2. Okay? You travel forward. Again, all that weight is on the left leg. You're here holding your balance. Now you're going to hop back on that left leg again. Kick it like we did before. Here, and then kick. All your weight's on the right leg. The left leg is going to go back. That means we're going to hop forward. It's going to come here. And we're going to jump together. Okay? Let's do one slow. 6 with the left leg. 7, 8, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. One more time. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. This step also looks starting with the right leg. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Also, relax your body again, but your upper body needs to be loose. You don't want to be stiff again. So as I drop down, my body's really relaxed. It kind of just comes back, collapses down really smooth, and then jumps back out. Okay? So loosen up the body. Don't be stiff. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. 1. Down. Hit. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's do that couple of good job, guys. Let's take it back all the way to the top. Do step number 1, 2, and 3. Put it all together. So all of these steps are going to be one full 8 count. Let's do one slow one just to put all of it together. Do a couple of times, and then try with music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, slow. We're going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and switch. Go up, throw, hit and hit. Go 5, 6, 7, and 8. Go kick, jump, jump, switch. Go kick, jump, jump. Try to find that, okay? Let's speed that up one more time, and then music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go kick, hit, hit. Together, kick, hit, hit, together. All right, guys, here we go with music together. I'll still count along, okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One more time, just like that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick 5, 6, 7, 8.
Next case, part 12.
I'll start with the hardest move in the beginning, and then after that it should be a piece of cake, okay? So the first move is a non-traveling move. We'll stay in place, and then step number 2 and 3, we'll travel forward and back, okay? 7, 8, slide, 1 and 2. Good. Now, to add to this move, to make it more smooth, I'm adding my shoulder, just a quick little roll, okay? And I'm tilting my body a tiny bit, just to give the illusion of this roll, and back, and then the left arm will come up. So roll and whoop, and then I'm going to lock it in right there. Okay, you could give me a good little hit at the end, 1 and 2, to make sure we see that little stop, that little pop. That's how you want to do the move, okay? So let's try that one more time. So left leg up, here we go, 6, 7, 8, we're going 1 and 2. Okay, so a lot of this has to do with body control. You really want to be able, so you're not flopping around and not being able to hold your balance. Keep it smooth. Here we go, 6, 7, 8, we're going 1 and 2. Okay, from here, you're already prepped to go to the other side. Right leg is ready, on the toes, left leg flat, left arm is open, so all you gotta do is roll the shoulder. Here we go, 7, 8, roll and stop. Good, and we're just repeating this over and over. Let's do that side one more time. So we're here, right leg up, left to the side, we're gonna go roll, whoop. Good, so let's connect both sides together. Here we go, left leg ready, 6, 7, 8, go 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Good. So that's your first 8. We're going 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Good. One more time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go glide. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So, again, step. So you're here, left leg is up, right arm is here. Okay. We're going to travel forward. I'm going to show you the feet first. Really simple. You're going to cross over with the left leg. You're going cross and step, cross and step, cross and step, cross and step, moving forward. Okay. Now, what you want to do there, the feet are pretty simple. You're just crossing over and stepping. Your body, you want to make sure you're going up, up, up. So that's your vibe right there, taking the body up. So let's do the same step. Every time you step, bring your body up. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. You're going up. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? The body's going up all the time. Arms. Once we're here, you just went here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. Left leg in the front. Right arm is up. Okay? Both arms are going to go up on the first one. 1. And then you're going to throw 2. And then you're going to go 3, throw 4, 5, throw 6, 7, throw 8. Okay? Arms are going just in place with the body without the feet. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Again, the legs are 3. We're here. Left leg touch, right leg here. We just crossed our arms, okay? From here, all we're going to do is twist. First, we're going to switch our weight, bring it over to the left side, and then pick up the right leg and go touch, okay? I'll show you the feet first. You're going to go touch, and double. Touch, and touch, here, and double, double. So the feet are twisting. Pick it up, tap with your toes, go a little hit. Lean your body, arm is right here, your knee, so there's a little bounce to the step. So every time you twist, you are going down on the opposite leg. So bounce, bounce, hit and hit with the twist. 2, hit and hit. So I'm doing the step in place, but we're going to use that to move back. So we traveled forward, now we're traveling back. Your travel is going to happen on step to the back, step to the back. Stay in place on the double, and then back, back, stay in place on the double, okay? Let's do that a couple of times moving back. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, go, twist, and double, double, twist, and double, double. Okay, one more time just like that, 5, 6, 7, 8, go, twist, double, double, twist, double, double. Okay. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, go glide. 2, glide. 4, glide. 6, glide. 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and switch. 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Okay. Let's do it one more time. I don't think that was as slow as I promised. So let's take it slow. Sing a little bit. Let's try to get to a faster tempo, and then we'll try music together. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go up. 2, 3, 4. Up. 6, 7, 8. Take it back. Back. 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One more time, just like that, guys, and I believe you're ready for music. Now, if you were having trouble, we'll try music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go bounce. 2, bring it up. 4 and up. 6 and up. 8, take it back, back. 3, 4, take it back, back. 7, 8. All right, guys, here we go. Let's do a little music together. Okay, I'll count you in. Let's stay on the tempo. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go glide. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now take it back. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, and 7, 8. Good. Here we go. One more time right away. 5, 6 from the top. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Here we go. One last time together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go glide. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it back. 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job, guys. I'll see you on the next one.
Guys, sana sinabayan niyo ako dun guys sa dance lesson natin guys. At saka sana guys nagustuhan niyo tong dance vlog na to guys. Guys, hanggang sa susunod na dancing lesson natin guys. Bye!